Guys, for today's video ay maglalaro tayo ng 99 Days in the Forest with my boy Shadow. Yeah, boy Shadow, look at that. Look at that, he's on yo. Yeah, go say yo. Yeah, yo. Go say yo. Yo. Yeah. Let's go guys. Shadow pala. Siya yung nagano sa Brookhaven. I mean sa Growa Garden. Sumali siya. Ano sinabi niya? Alright. Okay, let's go. Kaya pala laban joke ako date. Yun, madali lang. Gagawa kasi kami ng AFK. Di pala. Ang dami. 4 na wood oh. Nice one. Pogi ko kasi kaya ganyan eh. Trim yun. Okay, number 1. I'm again. I'm still cringe. Lagi na lang ako cringe guys. Alam yun. Okay, nagman. Oh, I'm still cringe. Okay. Maglalagay tayo dito ng fire. Yeah. Let's go. Excuse me guys. I have allergy to cellphone. I'm just joking. Yun yung fishman. Fishman of the world. Sabayin na naman ata ko. Sorry guys pag naririnig nyo na. Kung ano dahil malakas ako. Sumipon. Ay. Ano pala? Bumanghing. Bumanghing yun. Kasi pag ganun ka bumahing, pogi ka. Pag di ka ganun, pogi ka pa rin. Alam yun? Yeah. Kaya, planta natin to bago. Bro. Ganun ka. What? Layo-layo na nga sa fire eh. Ano niya palik close to fire. Ano siya? Grabe yun, nag-explore oh. Batak ko. Batak si ano man. Batak si Shadow maglaro. Okay, maganda. Yung ganito yung ano ko. Para madali kayong manalo. Ganito yung tips ko. Yeah. Kapag tuwing gabi ay huwag kayong mag-food lang kayo. Okay? Para mas madali. Siya, hindi ko lang kung anong gawin niya. Basta ako mag-food. Kunin ko muna itong rabbit ito. Ano sinabi? Should we save the children or should we do it later? Now. Tingin ko now dahil we're speedrunning 100 days. Yeah. Oh, come on now. Just give me the rabbit food. Okay. Oh, hello man. How are you? You're looking bad. Can I lie? You need to take off the... You need to eat. Follow. Let's go. Go guys, Shadow. I'm coming. I'm the save of the world. Cause I have good axe. Yeah, let's go. Okay, we're so broken at... Bro, you're not getting everything. Just gonna get this. Oh, both dead. Run. Okay, both dead. Run. Okay, I'm lagging. Run. No way, bro's dead. Run. Bro's dead. What bro's doing? What's tumalon? Almost died, lol. Mapapalol ka na lang ngayon ah. At kasi yung mga attack bigla. Dapat di ka nun. I get some ano to? Yung espada. Spear. Yes, spear. Tagal ko nag-iisip pero wala pa na yung food. Give me the food. Just give me the pineapple. Thank God, finally. I'm getting all the food. Because we need wood and food. You know that? We need good stuff. Yeah, para marami tayong mga pick up na mga wood. Kasi we are good at the playing with wood. What? Basta. Ano ko muna to guys. Dahil yan, ano sabi niya? Did you get extra? No. Wala pa ako guys. Oh, come on dude. Pa tayo mag-pick up. Ano na to? Balik muna tayo sa base. Dahil magagabi na. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Washing. Oh wait, the plane. Washing. I don't have fear. Okay, English kami guys. Kahit Tagalog kami. Wala tayong magagawa. Ganun kami pinanganak. Ay. Kukuha ko dito ng mga ano. Halatang hindi nyo pa napupuntahan to. Kaya napupunta din mabait ako eh. Cool. Kaya ganyan mga babae bait. Pag sabi ko experience. Hagaw sa inyo diba? Hagaw sa inyo. Uy, grabe na ba? Uy, ito. Kung ko lang sa kanya may good axe na ako. Yeah, but if you get... Bro, kala ko namatay siya eh. If you get, can I have it? Yeah. Ito. Okay, thank you. Yun, no? Thank you sa kapagian ko. Uh-oh. Come back. I have good axe. Yeah. Bagal kami mag-type, man. Yeah. Oh. Matatagalan pa tong journey namin. Yeah. Matagal. Ano to? Ito. Ah! Bro, this is the deal. Skip that. Because I don't need it. Oh, I'm laggy. Okay, thank you guys. What Brad's doing? What you doing? I'll cut the video. Okay. Kakat ko yung... Once we save the child. Bro, yun din yung sasabihin ko. Okay guys, skip ko muna tong video. Ay magana muna, ikakat ko muna tong video para hanggang makasave kami ng isang child dahil sobrang tagal. Okay? Be right back. Oh guys, nasave na natin yung... natin tuloy. Nasave na... Ano yung sinabi yan? Nice. Nasave na namin yung child. Look at that thing. Rose have dinosaur. English lang. Huwag ka mag-Tagalog. Alam ko. Bro. Bro, di niya alam na nag-start na ako. Isa ko lang yan. Dahil alam naman naging English ako. Nakabot. Ha? Tapos, ha? Oh guys, sobrang dami natin wood. Look at that thing. Yeah. English tayo. English na ako guys. You know that. Kasama ko, you know, like, I am the child of Sigma Boy. Yeah. He made me name. He made me Bacon Team and Sigma Boy that you need to call me and comment down below who we should next to collab. Yeah. What would you do with all of that log? Dito. Do we need all of that wood? Yeah, but we need it. Yeah. Let's go. Day 5 na tayo. Day 5 na tayo. Day 5. Gagawa tayo bed. Yeah, nice. Oh, may ata ko. Imposible. Makalo kami lang. Yeah. Nice one. Kaya ito ng bed. Mabay, ginawa ko ngayon para sa baka bed. Ang ginawa mo din. Sabi niya, oh, okay. Bait na guys. Pero sa itong buhay, hindi. You know that. When you thought someone is good but they're bad at the same time. Let's get ammo and save the second child. Yeah. I'm just gonna say yeah. Ano sabi? May stuck sa silong ko na sipon kaya. Stop your god. And bruh. Bruh, ba't lagi? I only have 0 ammo left. Go. Chili. Tip. I'm still cringe. Pushing. I'm Spider-Man. Oh, fish. Canister. Tingnan ko lang kayo kanina. Let's go. Ay, napunta niya lang sa I don't know. Pero, yeah. Dead body is yun. Ito tayo mga tao. Di pa ata. Ito, wala namang item. Saan dyan? Malaglang pa kami, guys. Amo na naman sa ilalim ng upuan. Hindi pala. Let's get that. Nice, I get a rifle. Nice. Nick. Basta nice. Nice yan, guys. Uy, may isa pang bayo. Suwerte ko talaga dahil kapagiyan ko. Ganyan ko sa mga pogi, guys. Lagi na ako ng mga gagandang loot. Spear na naman. Spear na natin yan. Wall pala. Ang daming ammo. Nice one. Look on step. Oh. Bibig ko sa akin spear. Ito na ako, guys. Uh-oh. Takbo. I don't care about that. Go. Oh, where's that chia? Actually. Uh-oh. Go, come. Where are you? I'm here. I'm not there. I'm too far. But I got some spear. Oh, spear. Nice one. One, guys. Thank you so much. Need to eat too badly. Okay. Pag umaga na, guys, dahil mahirap paggabi dahil. Ba't ako nagano? Basta mahirap sa gabi dahil yeah, I have rifle and spear and revolver. Parang kung ba't yun yung sabi ko, basta guys, yun naman yung sinasabi ko. Kaya naman gets nyo. Okay, regular bed. Let's go. Okay guys, is-pause ko muna to pag nakuha na naman ulit yung second child. Let's go. Okay guys, na-save na namin yung kid. Kasi sobrang pro namin ni Shadow. Pero yung ano na sa YouTube, hindi Shadow. Basta. Yeah. By the way, they're going to start my LOL. Me too. Basta yung ito na tong squid na to. Nakakatuin to. Okay. Shell. Ay. Di ganun. Dahil kidnapper na. What you call kidnapping. Not loving. Okay. I'm so foggy and I'm not cringe. Wait, kakasabi ko lang kanina na cringe ako. Basta kalimutan yung past is the future. Okay. Cool. He say cool because I'm cool. What the hell? Yeah, I'm getting logs from my team. I tried to save. Wait for me. Ini muna natin to guys. Kaya ano shadow. Dahil we need it. Guys, meron ako isa nakita niyo na kinuha ko si chest. Yeah. So, ayoko ipakita sa inyo na uy. Kasi sobrang bait ko, ayoko sa inyo ipakita na paghirap namin sa pagkuha ng kid. Okay? Kaya skip ko ulit dahil yeah. Let's go. Okay guys, naglag ako dahil yeah, sobrang tagal namin kunin yung bata. Tapos lumalaban mo sa amin kaya patay. Aray ko, patay ako. Aray ko. Patay kami guys. Ano sabi niya? Guys. Ano? Mga pagkakaroon. Oh man! Come on! Namatay ako guys. Hindi mo kanya ba yan? Kaya yata yan. Go. That's it. Go. Nice one, Lods. Wait, day 35 tayo, guys. Nice one. I'm proud of you, son. Look, it's mine, dude. Look. Oh my. Why are you doing fucking thing? Yeah, we need wood. Wait for the wood. Guess we need the food and loot. Yeah, like this. Choppy. Hey, yo. Wait. Yeah. Okay. I'm just joking, you know that. We need wood. Hey, yo. Yes, sir. Let's go wood. We have 45. We're getting so many because I'm a lavender. Yes, sir. Let's go. Guys, unsub to because no, please, man. I'm begging you guys, don't. Kahit wag na kayo mag-subscribe. Basta wag nyo nang unsubscribe, please. I'm begging you. I'm gonna leave. I'm just joking. I'm sorry, scooter. Like, lol. Bro, stop it. You're bullying me. Stop bullying me. Let's go, let's go. We need so many wood. It is approaching. Let's go, let's go. We need to collect. Ito yung pumatay sa akin kanina eh. Nakakapun. Ito kasi tayo nukid natin. Hindi tumutuloy. Nakakapun. Ito pala. Oh! Oh, God. Okay, never mind. Back niya yung kamay niya. Bigla ko nagalaw. Saan ka? Oh, shit. War shit. We need... Teka naman. Ano ba kakalangan mo? Crookpat. Okay. Crookpat kailangan mo. Kaya ko to. Kasi nandito si Bacon Team at panalo. Hindi tayo matatalo hanggang tayo. Hanggang sa dulo. Kasi ako sa flash. Ito ko na mas back nila. Okay naman. Go, go, go. I got some metal. Focus or... Crookpat. I'm saying crookpat o hindi. Real or pake. Okay. But yeah, let's go. I know I'm a mind reader. Yes, I'm a digger. Gold, I'm a dog digger. Gold digger, yeah. I only dig for gold, not wood and iron and banfoot. Kahit wala ditong good, basta good. Good, I mean gold, yeah. Where's the wala ko nawala si side ano pala, shadow. Bye. Okay, never mind. Hey wolf, how are you doing? Oh, stop hitting me. I'm just a peaceful man who trying to save my... Okay, come on now. But you're dead. We're still making that noise and that's sussing me out. Not gonna lie, that's too sus. We need to kill. Yes, yeah. I need some fuel. Bear, stop it. Come on now, I'm trying to get coal. And you're making it harder. I'm dead. Whoa, risky. Sheesh. Okay, never mind. I'm dead. I need help. Oh, never mind. This. Oh, big bottle. Focus on wood first. Okay, chill out. Okay, I'm dead. Guys, help me guys. Please subscribe pag nag-subscribe kayo. Ayun na ako dito. Hindi ako nagpapalo. Okay, ba't may alpha wall pa? Ito ko bang dead? Oh my. Shush! Ang Flash. Flash never died. But she disappeared from Earth. But yeah. I'm lagging. Let's go. Ito muna sa dito. Wala akong nakapagay sa mga sinasabi mo. Kasi hater. Ang lagi ko bago. Ang lagi ko bago. Some wood kasi we need food and Lima, the most lucky person ever in life. Nakuha ng dalawang sapling. Diba? Panis. Dalawa. Impossible. Saan na siya? Nasa base lang siya. Wala siyang ginagawa, guys. Kaya nakakapitan eh. Chat. Neighbor, Cortic is live streaming. Okay. Did you all know this? What this? Disney. With the wood. Yeah. We all know that. Alam namin lahat. Kaya yung mga nanonood nito ay they're just gonna waste their 50 minutes of watching me with a small YouTuber, but it's okay, at least they watch me playing and dying at the same time. Ba't ano ba talaga to? Well, I didn't know that until now. Lol. Okay, hindi nga pala alam. Look, ba dito? May ano pa rin. Wawa naman siya. Ano? Come on, dude. We need walls. We need. What is that? Ano yung nangyari doon? I don't know. Kung narinig nyo yun, narinig nyo. But, we'll just spawn din. Okay, I get metal. Lang. I'm drinking water. Kahit hindi. Ano bang kailangan ko? Water ng ano? Tara na naman mamaya. Yehey! Tala na naman ako. Patay ako. Kunin ko lang yung balik mo. Wala. We need fuel. We're going out of fuel now. Basketball. I'm exploring the map for some fuel. I need to get it. Ano pa ba yung horse? Tapos yung first man yung parang nagano ng mga item. No, yun. Yung trader ng mga item. Parang yung binibigay. Pero alam nyo naman nakuha ko niya mga ano. Can you make shot look? Wait, dude. I'm here collecting fuel because we don't have fuel. Okay lang. Oh, right then. Take. And make. Where is she at? Weave. Where is she at? Hey, yo, bro. Traffic na mo ang sinasabi mo sa akin. Madagdag ba yung pagkain natin? Madagdag. Ano yun? Stop. Wow! Gawin natin wood. Blood is fighting for your life while I'm playing. What? Lol. Bro, no way, bro. Bro just killing on his life playing basketball. And I'm just sitting here. I'm just working. But he's dead. Bo is going to night time. Ang iba na talaga ito, okay? Come back, I need you. I'm lagging. Oh, come back! Nasaan ba siya? Okay, we don't care. We're dead, we're dead. We're all dead. Mode. Mind your business, man. We're dead. Run for real. Never mind, dude. Whoa! What that? No, okay, I'm gonna save you. Oh shit, where's the body at? Yung body niya. I will get here body and I'm gonna revive you. Kasi meron na medkit. Whoop. Yes. No. No, get out of here. Get out. Uh-oh. I'm dead. This is the end of us. You can do it. Never mind. Yo, let's go. Okay, wala natin sila. We have some medkit. We need to revive. Let's go. We need to kill them all. Bro. Akala ko nasa edit ako, hindi pala. Okay ko. Kaya niya ba ito? No. Yes. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. You know you can do it. You know. Shadow, you can do it. You're behind us. There's shadow. Okay. Bro's dead. Oh, she's dead. Bruh. Oh guys, dahil dyan namatay kaming dalawa, kaya this the video end. Yeah. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell para alam nyo kung may bago kong video. Kaya yeah, this collab thing is so powerful and friendshipful. Kaya bye bye, love you all, mga chup.